Hello students, in this video we can learn about arithmetic progression, how to check whether a list of numbers form a AP or not. So first, before going into the topic, we must understand what is arithmetic progression. So in a given list of number, each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term is known as arithmetic progression. So let's see an example for better understanding what is arithmetic progression. Consider an example 10, 40, 70, 100 and so on. So in the above list of number, each term is obtained by adding 30 to each number. That is, so here this 30 is the fixed number and it is known as common difference t, and this can be a positive, negative or 0. So once again, arithmetic progression means a list of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. So this forms an arithmetic progression since a fixed number 30 is add to each. So this forms an AP. So let's check with an example whether the given term is arithmetic progression or not. So let's go into the example. So here we have to check if a list of number form an AP, that is arithmetic progression. So if they form an AP, we should write the next two terms. So the given example is 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. So we have to check whether this list of number forms an AP, that is arithmetic progression. If it forms an AP, we have to write the next two terms. So let's see the solution. So first we have to assume 4, 10, 16, 22 as A1 for 4, A2 for 10, A3 for 16 and A4 for 22. So let's check the first one. That is, so first we have to check A2 minus A1. That is AK plus 1 minus AK. So that is a simple thing. Second term minus first term. So here A2 minus A1. That is, we know that A2 is 10 and A1 is 4. So for A2, now we can write 10 and next value for A1, that is 4. So to find the first term, we have to subtract second term from the first term. That is A2 minus A1. In simple way, AK plus 1 minus AK. So that is 10 minus 4. So by subtracting 4 from 10, we get the answer is 6. So next we can check for the next term. That is A3 minus A2. So A3 is 16 and A2 is 10. So 16 minus 10 is 6. So again we should check the next number, that is A4 minus A3. So we know that A4 is 22 and A3 is 16. So if we subtract 16 from 22, we again get the answer as 6. So we have checked the common difference, that is D, that is the fixed number for all the three terms is 6. So it has the fixed number. So once again we recall that if it is same, it forms an AP, that is an arithmetic progression. So we see that since D is a common difference, that is AK plus 1 minus AK is same every time. So we can directly say that this list of numbers forms an arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. So here the fixed term is same, that is 6. So the given list of numbers form an AP with common difference, that is D. So the next is we have to write the next two terms if the list forms an AP. So here the next two terms are 22 plus 6. 6 is the fixed one and we get the answer is 28. And for the next term 28 plus 6, that 6 is the fixed term and if we add 28 plus 6, we get the answer as 34. So the next two terms are 28 and 34. So once again, from the list, if the common difference, that is D, is same, we can say that the list of number forms an AP, and we can find the next two term by adding the common difference to the preceding one. Hope you understood. Thank you.